What if I told you there's a way to earn money from AI without ever showing your face or using your voice? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. With the right AI tools and strategies, you can build a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income, all while keeping your privacy intact. In today's video, we're going to explore some of the most creative ways to use AI to earn money without needing to be on camera or record a single word. If you're ready to start earning from AI, stay tuned, because we're counting down 10 awesome ways to make money while staying completely behind the scenes. 10. Sell printables and digital products on Etsy. One of the easiest ways to start earning money from AI without showing your face or voice is by creating printables and digital products. AI tools like Canva's design features, combined with Chat GPT's content creation, can help you create all sorts of products that people want to buy. Think about planners, wall art, coloring pages, meal prep sheets, and more. You don't need to be a designer. Canva can help you generate templates, and ChatGPT can help with written content. Once created, you can upload these products to Etsy or Gumroad for people to purchase. These digital products will keep selling, and you'll earn passive income every time someone buys them. By focusing on designs and digital files, you can operate entirely behind the scenes. No video, no voice needed. 9. Create stock photos or illustrations with AI. If you enjoy visual creativity but don't want to show your face, you can still make money by creating stock images or illustrations. AI tools like MidJourney or DALL can generate high-quality images based on text prompts. Whether it's landscapes, abstract art, or commercial images, these tools can generate professional-grade visuals in no time. You can then sell these images on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. Every time someone downloads your image, you earn money. And the best part, you can keep creating and uploading images while staying completely anonymous. There's no need to show your face or speak a word. 8. Build and sell website templates. Another awesome way to earn money from AI without getting in front of the camera is by creating website templates. With AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and tools like Wix or WordPress, you can easily design fully functional website templates. All you need to do is use ChatGPT to come up with a content structure for various types of websites, like business sites, personal portfolios, or blogs. Then use Wix's AI website builder or WordPress templates to make it look great. Once you have a selection of templates, you can sell them on marketplaces like ThemeForest or Template Monster. By building templates, you can earn passive income every time someone purchases one. Plus, there's no need to make any videos or show your face. Just design and sell. 7. Start a dropshipping business. Using AI dropshipping allows you to sell products online without handling any inventory. Thanks to AI, you can start a dropshipping business that runs entirely on automation. AI-powered tools like Shopify's AI Assistant can help you set up your store, manage customer inquiries, and optimize product listings. AI tools like ChatGPT can also help you write product descriptions, create marketing copy, and come up with catchy email campaigns, all without showing your face or using your voice. With a dropshipping model, you never even need to touch the product. All you have to do is set up the store, use AI to optimize it, and market your store through ads or social media. Once the sales start rolling in, you earn money while staying out of the spotlight. 6. Create niche blogs and monetize them with ads. Starting a niche blog is a great way to generate passive income, and you can do it all without being on camera or recording your voice. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you generate blog posts around a specific topic, whether that's health, technology, finance, or any other niche you're interested in. Once you have enough content, you can monetize the blog with ads, like Google AdSense, or through affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. ChatGPT can even help you create SEO-optimized content that ranks on Google, making it easier for people to find your blog. The more posts you publish, the more opportunities you have to earn money through ads, affiliate links, or even selling your own digital products. 5. Sell ebooks and guides created with ChatGPT. If you enjoy writing, but don't want to put your voice on YouTube or create podcasts, consider writing and selling ebooks or guides. ChatGPT is excellent at helping you brainstorm ideas, outline, and even write entire chapters of an ebook. Pick a niche people are interested in, such as self-help, finance, fitness, or productivity. ChatGPT can help you generate unique content quickly. Once your ebook is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or your own website. Writing an ebook can take a lot of time, but with ChatGPT's assistance, it becomes now much easier. Once your ebook is live, you can earn passive income with each sale, all without showing your face or speaking a word. 4. Create and sell online courses. You might be wondering, but what if I want to teach something? Well, AI makes it easier than ever to create online courses without showing your face or recording your voice. Tools like ChatGPT can help you generate course content, create lesson outlines, and even script the entire course. You can create a course on anything you're knowledgeable about, whether that's personal finance, fitness routines, or marketing strategies. Once the content is ready, use an AI-powered video creation tool like Synthesia to generate videos with AI avatars presenting the lessons, so you don't have to be on camera. Then, host your course on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. Every time someone buys your course, you earn passive income. 3. Launch an affiliate marketing website with AI affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money without showing your face or voice. The idea is simple. You promote products or services through affiliate links, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. AI tools like Chat GPT can help you create affiliate marketing websites. Chat GPT can generate high-quality product reviews, comparison articles, and informative posts about the products you're promoting. Once your site is up and running, you can monetize it with affiliate links from platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. With AI doing the bulk of the content creation, you can run this business without showing your face or recording videos. As long as your content is engaging and your SEO is on point, you'll earn money passively. 2. Automate social media content creation and management. If you're good at social media but don't want to appear on camera, consider using AI tools to manage and automate social media content for businesses. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate post ideas, captions, and hashtags, while tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can schedule them for you. Offer social media management services to small businesses, influencers, or content creators who don't have the time to handle their own accounts. You can automate posts, create engaging content, and even analyze performance, all without ever showing your face. Charge a monthly fee for this service, and you can enjoy steady income while doing all the work behind the scenes. 1. Build and sell AI-powered chatbots. Last but certainly not least, one of the most lucrative ways to earn from AI without showing your face or voice is by creating and selling AI-powered chatbots. With tools like Chat GPT and ManyChat, you can build bots for businesses, websites, or e-commerce stores. These bots can help companies with customer service, sales, or lead generation. You can charge clients for the initial setup and monthly maintenance. AI chatbots are in high demand because they save businesses time and money, and you don't have to appear on camera to create or sell them. Create a chatbot once and sell it to multiple clients for recurring income. So there you have it, 10 searchers. Ways to earn money from AI without showing your face or voice. Whether you're creating digital products, writing content, or building chatbots, AI offers endless opportunities to make passive income, all from the comfort of your home. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.